In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Slack with Notion. This integration allows you to streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful tools. Follow the steps closely to ensure a smooth setup process. Begin by navigating to your Slack workspace, open your web browser, and enter the URL for your Slack client. Ensure you are logged into your workspace. Once you see the main interface of Slack, you will be ready to proceed. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of your Slack interface. Find the option labeled Admin and click on it. This action will take you to the admin settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Slack workspace. After that, look for the section labeled Workspace Settings. Click on this option to access the settings specific to your workspace. You will see a new screen with several tabs and options related to your workspace management. Once this appears, find the tab labeled Integrations and click on it. This section allows you to manage all integrations available for your Slack workspace. Here you will be able to add Notion to your integrations list. Following that, look for the section labeled Recommended Apps. Click on this to view a list of apps that are suggested for use within Slack. This will help you find Notion among other useful applications. Now, type Notion in the search bar within the recommended apps section. As you type, the interface will filter the results to show matching applications. This step is crucial for locating the Notion integration quickly. Once you find Notion in the search results, click on it to view more details. This action will redirect you to a page dedicated to the Notion app, where you can learn more about its features and functionalities. Next, click on the poll button. This will initiate the installation process for Notion within your Slack workspace. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates the app has been successfully added to your integrations. Then look for the option labeled Add to Slack and click on it. This final step will complete the integration process. A confirmation screen will appear indicating that Notion has been successfully integrated with your Slack workspace. It's important to check your internet speed during this process, especially if you're working with large files or if your connection is slower than usual, as this may affect the installation time. Additionally, ensure that your Slack workspace has enough permissions to add integrations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.